Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to another 143 scale video. And in today's video, we have another IXO model. This one being the 1974 F-100. This one was a big hype vehicle in my country, like so many people got this one. I technically do have this one. I think I have the 71 version or something in 164 scale. But I couldn't miss out on this. Like this for the price it is going and everything. I couldn't miss out on even in 143 scale on this one. So it's a very cool truck. It's pretty heavy, at least it feels heavy. So let's get into it. It was just released and released in the store next to my country, which is what was the name? Estonia. Yeah, and we the collectors buy from a store in Estonia, which is I think in Tallinn. That's where it is located. This store. So yeah, let's get this guy off base and have a closer look. Comes with this plastic piece. Side comes in acrylic case, as most of them do, or all of them even. Let's have a look at it on the base. Have nice red guts in there, or interior. Prefer how you prefer it to be called. And let's get it off the base. Oh, this one has like tiny screws. The Shelby that did the video on the Shelby, that had like one big screw. This one has like two small ones. Okay, there we go. Plastic to the side. Can deal with that later. Okay, and here's our model itself. It's in this creamy yellow color. I don't know what would be the exact term of this color. The base is plastic as always. The bed is a full piece. It's a full separate piece, I think. It looks like it. Maybe it's not. I don't know. But it is all metal. There are no opening parts. IXO doesn't do opening parts, as much as I know, unless they're 164 scale, which I haven't still gotten one of them. I did order a couple of them last year in spring, and still, well, none of them have arrived. Maybe they will arrive this spring. Who knows? Well, they were on pre-order, so yeah. I was already being offered, oh, do you want more? I'm like, I need to get the first ones in hand. I don't even want more if I don't know if they're going to be any good. So I think they will. They already have been releasing the trucks, which I did order some of the trucks. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. So this one has inserted taillights, bumpers separate piece. The bed is very nicely detailed. This is a 143 scale. So we have the windshield wipers, we have the mirrors. My mirror looks like it's a bit crooked. Not gonna touch it, I don't want to break it. So yeah, the other one's also crooked. So not perfect, not perfect. But like I said, I don't want to touch it. It looks like it was molded a bit funky, so I don't want to deal with that. The front looks amazing. Yeah, the license plate says HLE405. I have no idea what that means. That may be the engine of it. I don't know. What does it say there? It says Ford on that side right there. I don't know what the other name says. Can I go this close? No, I cannot read that. Sadly, I can't. Looks like we have a Slight issue with the tire. I had the issues with the tires on the Shelby last time also. I did find out what was the problem. It's just that there was nothing I could do. Sadly, I did try, but there was nothing I could do. The issue with the Shelby tires was not actually the tires themselves. It was more the issue was more for the what you call it. Okay, that's I'll take it off completely. I need to see if there's any flashing going on or something. It's just deformed or something. As you can see, yeah, they're rubber tires. You can easily take them off. Well, easily. The Shelby's tire didn't come off that easily. And the issue still persists on that side. Okay, there we go. Fixed it. Took me a while, but fixed it. Yeah, all the other tires look fine. The issue with the Shelby was that this piece, at least on one of the side wheels, there was a slight little plastic. I did cut it off. I thought it would help, but I couldn't get the wheels to go and I couldn't press them any more closer, so they were rubbing on the metallic fender. These plastic pieces they have the plastic fenders also in the side, but like the canards or whatever they're called, and sadly for that one, the tires were a bit too wide in the front, so they were rubbing on the metal, and there's nothing I could have done there, sadly. So that one was a half roller, where this one's gonna be a roller. Yes, it is. Okay, at least I'm happy for that one. So yeah, there you have it, guys. I also have a tow hitch for this one. It's very tiny, but it is there. Yeah, took me a while to film this one because of the tire, but yeah, it sometimes happens. I can't do anything about that. So hope you guys liked the video. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.